Hi, today I would like to show you a great opportunity to make a huge amount of money trading the pound CAD currency pair. Why? We have a bullish morning star formation here, structure. Before I will show you the trade, I will first show you what a morning star is. A morning star is it consists of three candlestick bars. This is the first one, so this must be red and long, strong bearish one. The second candlestick bar should be a doji, looking like this, when you have not much movement between the sellers and buyers, as it's an equal struggle, no one wins. It's a kind of consolidation, sideways market here. Then the third day, you have a strong up move, and this daily candlestick bar, which is bullish here, as you can see, must close above 50% of this first bearish candlestick bar. As you can see here, we have a close here on the third day here. So this is much higher than half of this first candlestick bar. So this means that we have a bullish trade, most likely. And in this case, you can see two following up days here, trending up. You can also see a morning star looking like this. When the second candlestick bar like gaps down here, and then third day it gaps up here and continue on the upside. That this situation is not as common when you can see gaps twice on the downside and upside here. This is not that very common. So this is pretty good. Usually this one is stronger if it's gaps. This is also a morning star formation you can see here. This is a high close, and you can see it in here as a trend continuation for this long trend. So with this setup, morning star setup, you can you can follow a bullish or bearish trend. Bearish trend, it looks like this. It's the opposite. Bearish evening star also contains of three candlestick bars. So you can spot a trend continuation for weeks, and you can get 20, 50, or 100% return on your capital, on your trading account. You can laugh all the way to the bank. So here's the trade. Pound CAD. You see a long downtrend here, and I will make this larger, easier for you to see. So here you can see a bullish morning star setup. We have a red long bearish one, and the second day we have a doji, a small body here, and then the third day today we have a bullish run on the upside, and at this very moment is at the same level as 2 days ago when the opening here. So so far I got 285 Canadian dollar in profit. I also, this is very important to tell you, that when you see this daily bullish morning star formation here combined with three candlestick bars at this level, at this demand level, as you can see here, it's the wick here. This is a support zone. Here a resistance zone. Here is a support zone here again. So when you see support and support and resistance at the same structure here over here, then it's strong. This is a major one. And you have this morning star setup at this major demand zone here. So I got a very good entry here, very close near the bottom. I actually took this trade before I saw this third bullish bar that tells me that we could have a morning star now. First of all, this day is not closed yet. So who knows, maybe this will go down and closes below half of this first bearish one. So if we have a close today, a New York close, that closes at 50% of this or below, we don't have any Morningstar setup anymore. It must close 50% here or above. So if we have a close like this, it looks like very good. We can anticipate a winning trade up to this level or this level. And on a 4-hour time frame, it looks like this. It's very good. Actually, on 4-hour time frame, we have inside bar structure here. We have the mother bar here. Then we have a couple of inside bars, a sideways market. Not much happened, which is a good. This is like a catch-up effect, a squeezer for a big run when the price leave this area, which we see here. So now we have a price that is above this level, which means that we also have a bullish trade set up here. But on the daily time frame, that's the most strongest information, the most safest and reliable trade that using the daily time frame. So it's this Morningstar setup that is important. Okay, I will not talk much now. I will be back soon with a follow-up. But I can tell you that I will actually leave the trade now and cash in these profits and work with a smaller, lower time frame. Because I think we can have a pullback down to this area. So I will, if this price goes down here, I will buy it back here. So now I want as much as profit as possible. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye for now.